Hello everyone, it's me Kat Mimi and welcome to our other channel. So for today we'll be back to Friends Rhythm and I'll be reacting to their cover of Imagine by John Lennon. So without further ado, let's start. Oh, Imagine. We have Char, Dudes, Papa Franz, and Chen.
Only you.
Let's go.
Earth and China.
Ganda ng boses ni Tatay Franz, diba?
Imagine there's no heaven.
O, diba? Ang linis. Love it.
It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above is only sky.
Very solemn, very smooth. Yeah, from the beginning parang ayoko mag-comment kasi ayoko maistorbo yung performance. Sobrang ganda ng version na to. Let's continue.
Imagine all the people living for today.
So relaxing.
There's no country. It is hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for.
Very tasky.
No religion to.
Okay. So, hindi ko lang ma-describe no yung performance kasi napaka perfect niya, parang super solemn, super smooth. Yung version niya is so perfect. And yung pagka-deliver nila is parang kanila. Hindi ko ma-describe. Pero yung blending ng voices nila ni Char, ni Chen, ni Papa Franz, and of course yung accompaniment na drums ni Dudes. Sobrang nagmamatch lahat. Ganda.
Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one.
Ganda. Ganda ng version.
I hope someday you'll join us in a world filled as one.
Yes. Okay, so it's another bonding moment. It's a solemn one, not really groovable, but you can see the heart of them performing and sobrang seryoso nila guys na kumakanta nito, nanggagaling talaga sa kanilang puso and yeah, sobrang appreciate ko. Tingnan nyo ngayon, dami nilang gitara, oh, di ba? Nag-start lang sila, if I'm not mistaken, sa walang instrument at hinihiram lang nila. Thank you so much sa nagkwento niyan sa amin before. So that's why sobrang gandang makita. Nakaka-overwhelm din makita na nag-success sila and they are still continuing to share their talent to all of us kasi nga nanggaling po sila talaga sa mababa and now ayan na sila, sinusuportahan na ng lahat. So very inspiring story of a family. Okay, so one more thing guys, no, kaya nagsasucess sila and yung outcome ng kanilang performance is so looking so passionate is because they love what they are doing. So number one na point yun kung bakit nakikitaan natin sila ng pagka-genuine kasi ito talaga yung desire nila and what they love to do. Kaya lahat tayo nararamdaman natin yun, so that's why we continue to support them too.
But I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us in a world with rivers
Yeah! Alright. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you
Thank
enjoy
you for
our
watching.
song for today. God bless everyone.
Thank you.
Yan, bumili ata sila ng instruments. Wow. Oh, ang saya. Doon naiyak ako. Guys, nag-emotional ako kasi. Basing on our viewer before kasi sinabi nila, I'm not sure kung sino dati, na yun nga humihiram lang sila ng instruments before nung nag-start sila. So, and as you can see from the last part of the video, yun, nabibili na nila yung mga gusto nila, most especially instruments that they can use performing. So, sobrang saya lang na nakakaiyak na na-achieve nila ito and yun nga, nagbubunga na yung hardship nila before. So inspiring. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos and pakiclick na rin yung notification bell para every time meron kaming bagong upload sa channel na ito, updated po kayo. See you next time. Bye!